Let's unbox some animal toy figurines. We have some cute farm animal toys in this cute rabbit packaging. We have some sea animals and some wild safari zoo animals. So let's get started with some farm animals first. Look at the cute rabbit packaging. Our first animal from our farm animal playset is a goat. A goat. Dog. A very realistic figure. Dog. Pig. Pig. Rooster. Rooster. Cat. Camel. Camel. A parrot. Buffalo. Owl. An owl. Goose. Rabbit. A lamb. Now let's unbox some sea animal toy figurines. We have a cute and a very large sea animal toy package. Octopus. Octopus. A polar bear. A polar bear. A sea snail. Sea snail. Sea lion. Sea lion. Orca whale, also known as killer whale. Orca whale. Shark. Shark. Stingray. Stingray. Humpback whale. humpback whale. Lobster. Squid. Manta ray. Manta ray. Dolphin. Dolphin. A sea turtle. Sea turtle. Walrus. Walrus. Whale shark. A whale shark. Now let's unbox some wild safari animal toy collection. Panda. Panda. Cheetah. Cheetah. Zebra. Zebra. Tiger. Tiger. Rhino. Rhino. Reindeer. Reindeer. Giraffe. Giraffe. Crocodile. Crocodile. Elephant. Elephant.